Hello guys, so we're going to create this nice looking album cover. So let's start from the beginning. Get the quick selection tool and select as much as you can from the person. Okay, right click, feather, put it on 5, then layer, new, layer via copy. This deletes the background. Okay, so we can actually delete this one. Okay, so now get the picture, put it on top, and put the opacity on 74. And I want this big mountain on the right, so let's go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal, and let's make the smoke come out of the hair. Okay, this is a good position. Put the opacity back to 100, right click, rasterize layer, then go back to the person and hold Control and click on the square, then go back to the mountain and press Mask. Okay, then get the paintbrush, put it on black foreground and enlarge it, and paint back the stuff you want. Make sure it's 100 opacity and paint back the stuff you want. Okay, then go back to the person, put image, adjustment, desaturate. Okay, so now let's create a new layer and put the adjustment solid color, put it on white, then put it underneath the person and double click it and put it similar to the clouds. Okay, and now copy this layer of the mountains, Control J, and delete its mask and put it on lighten. This creates this effect as if it's coming out of the head. Now get the paintbrush. First you have to hold Alt and press on the mask to create a black mask and put a white foreground and paint back the stuff you want. Okay, so now we have to add the birds. Put it on top and right click, rasterize layer, and go to image, adjustment, desaturate, and put it on overlay and position it in a nice position here. And the same way, hold Alt and press on mask to give it a black mask, and get the paintbrush, put it a little bit bigger and paint back some of the birds. Then last you go to the person layer and Control J to duplicate it, put it on top and put it on overlay. This creates some contrast, and go get the eraser and just blend it in. And we're done.